Good day, do-it-yourselfers and technicians. Today I got a call about a toilet that will not flush and it keeps running. This type of toilet is a Kholer, and let's see what's going on. And looks like the flapper seal has came off. This is a pretty easy fix, so let's go ahead and get to work. First thing you want to do is kill the water. Turn off the water to the toilet. We are going to be replacing the flapper for a canister type flushing system, and this is extremely easy, and this is the part that I'm going to be using. So to replace this flapper, we're going to take this flush valve off, and to do that, just grab right here and twist it to the left. As you can see, this lines up with this hole down here, and it just twists in. Very simple. Grab the new seal, and it fits in nice and snug, just like so. And the easiest way to do this is I pull the flush valve back and just line it up, line the hole up. Once that line falls into the hole, just twist to the right. And then we need to put this chain back on. Kind of squeeze this clamp together so the chain doesn't come out again. Put the hose back in, the fill hose. And then turn the water back on. And that's pretty much it on how to replace these flush canister valve seals. Very easy, takes about 1 to 2 minutes. If you like what you see, go ahead and click that subscribe button, like, comment. Until then, see y'all next time.